else helping, Dean.
Are you destroying this, or are we?
Yeah, you're welcome to mail night. Hit it.
Oh yeah, get in it.
Mail time. So this is from Mrs. Gabriella Itomorowitz from Cleveland, Ohio.
Cleveland, Ohio.
Oh, I just gotta be careful here, guys. Come on. Oh, I should. Well, this is how.
How would you cut it right there? Why don't you cut it here?
Oh, really? Should I have?
I don't know. I would have.
Christ, fuck's sake, Steve.
It's probably like a...
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
man.
Sweet.
Buddy,
track
to cassette converter with the owner's manual?
It's a Kraco.
Are you kidding me?
It's a Kraco.
Kraco.
That is pretty awesome.
This is cool.
Here we
Show
go.
them the owner's manual, Dean.
No way.
Okay.
Should we
There's
read this?
It has operating instructions on the back.
Dear Scott, I thought you were one of the agents who could use this. If you think about it and set it up properly, you're only 3 degrees of separation away from an iPod or smartphone connection.
You could put this in your 8-track player, and then put one of those cassette to Discman adapters,
Whoa.
and play your own. Yeah.
Well,
it's 74 Lincoln.
Sweet.
Ray
Nice
F. Motto Tomorowitz, Cleveland, Ohio. P.S. He once spent 3 days in Moose Jaw.
Oh wait,
Hey,
that's
told it out
long
before.
enough for sure.
Maybe
Yeah.
Nice. Thanks so much, Ray.
Great.
That's a delight.
Yeah, try and get in this one.
Let's go. Get in there.
We'll see how long till Dylan gets set up.
You're about to see why Dylan moved to BC.
Yeah. That's all. Okay, there we go. Okay, so what we
You're
have.
making good headway.
What I do.
No, stick to
What
it.
is it?
One
Keep
time
going.
at a time, man.
You were so
Nice
close to
box.
being in there
Yeah,
when you
man.
turned around and went to the other side. I was like, holy
Keep
shit.
going.
Like a commit.
It's from Gerald A. Fisher at Houghton, Annandale, Minnesota.
Gerald Fisher.
USA.
Annandale, Minnesota.
Unreal.
I'm gonna guess it's a 60 Pontiac
Look at that for
repairman.
Miles. He's
60
not even
Pontiac.
here.
Oh, we know if you use that.
And it's
I know
American.
Miles will be stoked. We'll send him a picture right away.
Oh, man.
Cool, hey.
It's an American one, yeah.
That's nice.
Nice.
Thank you, Gerald.
Thank you, Gerald. That's
Nice one.
fantastic.
Beautiful. This one is from Billy Hold, Gerald, Texas.
Texas.
Hey, a lot of Americans.
Texas.
Let's see if we can get all the states.
Things are bigger in Texas, and this is a heavy box.
Big box.
Agents, Billy Horde. Howdy, fellows, from the great state of Texas, where the beer is always cold, the sun is so hot, and Bob Wills is still the king of country music.
Oh yeah.
Here are just a few things I thought you fellas would enjoy. Watching you all getting together to share the love of old cars, big beer, and have a few darts, classic or cannabis, is so enjoyable. That same old shit, as Tom says, never gets old. Friendship you fellows share is special. Not many of us ever have true friends such as you guys. Cheers and keep Dean in cold Budweisers.
Yeah.
Billy Horde. Okay,
Yeah.
Billy, what?
Milwaukee, Billy. That's all we can do.
So it's a go.
He's still here, though.
Yeah.
Are you kidding?
Oh.
Goodyear Power Cushion.
Oh, cool, man.
Nice.
Remember I was saying half of the mail is for classic darts. That's why like Al likes opening the mail. Because
fun,
it's
right?
for him.
Nice.
That's a nice one, eh?
Nice.
Like, I want to get in on this.
Wow,
Yeah,
wow,
get in
wow. Cool, and more.
Oh,
yes.
yeah.
Oh,
What is
Ripper.
that one?
Ripsky a bit, hey? It's nice.
That's a skinny.
Oh, skinny.
It's a Cooper armored cord.
Yeah.
That is
My
sweet.
classics.
This one was at the bottom of a tire pile out back for a while.
Oh, here's some more classic darts material.
Oh, are you kidding?
A couple of lighters. He sent 2 so that you guys can have
Oh,
a
one for
race
parts.
rebuilding
Yeah,
them
yeah.
again or something.
That was fun with Justin last time.
And this one
The
says
lighter
Fleet
rebuild.
Town.
Cool.
Yes.
Yeah, nice,
Another
right?
DS.
Cars for the
Another
for the
one,
mini.
a sparkly one.
I have a row of these.
Oh.
And
that's so
59
sweet.
Dodge. Oh, details would love this.
Oh my
Look at
gosh.
Sinclair.
Claire Rucker.
look at
Yeah. Oh, there's something for Strong's Garage in
Oh,
here
sweet.
even.
That's cool.
What?
This is Western Canada, too.
Yeah.
Hey, a real
Oh, real one.
60 Plymouth owner's manual.
Check
Oh,
that
look at
out.
that.
Oh, 1953 cars.
Jesus, this is packed.
This is
Oh,
packed. Billy
yes.
Horde, thank you very
Thank you.
much.
Thank you so much, Bill. That
Oh,
is really
man,
fun.
nice old Plymouth.
So much here.
And a great box for Dean.
And a great box for Dean.
Even bubble
With
wrap.
bubble wrap.
With wrap. Oh,
Nice.
the wrap's $5.
He was all over that.
Gavin and
money.
Jody Ace. The old Brazil store. It's in Northland, New Zealand.
That's a long ways away.
That's a long ways away. Is
yeah.
that the furthest?
It's cash, and I'm just gonna just take the
It's just
money.
New Zealand bucks.
It's buddy, I'm just gonna take it. Hi there, I thought you might like your sticker, Gavin and Jody Ace.
Oh, that's cool. Thank you guys.
Yeah, there's a sticker from the store. Cool.
Nice one. Let's see this.
I'm gonna do a close up.
Yeah, do a close up on that. Yeah.
Cafe and board.
Yeah, that's cool.
Are you opening this one? It's a letter from R. Lee Parks,
Thanks, R. Lee Parks.
Rural Hall, North
He
Carolina.
has sent us stuff before.
Has he?
Yes, that is very kind. Fragile. Finally, he gets the bomb. I don't know. Well,
Well, you're gonna have to
guess
read
we're gonna
it
have to
now.
go back to school.
Oh boy.
Sample cut from a shiv of rayon or rayon. It's classic tire stuff.
tire.
Cool.
Firestone tire cord from the 50s.
Well, thanks so much, man. What a really fun thing. That's
Wow,
classic
that's
tire
so cool,
icon
man.
right there.
Oh, who gets more mail?
Yeah.
There's another one from North Carolina, from Dale Sloop. Stanley,
Nice.
All right,
NC.
Yeah, man. Yeah, for sure. What is
More mail.
This feels like car parts to me, maybe.
Well done.
Oh, I see. It's a whole bunch
box,
of
I think,
that.
buddy. That's sweet, man.
That's crazy that stuff like that gets like saved.
Saturday Evening Post.
Saturday Evening Post.
Whoa,
there
wheels.
you go.
Yeah, wow.
Up to 35 miles to the gallon on the wheelies.
Wow. That's
Saturday
really
Evening
neat.
Post
Oh,
from
really?
1937. Hey, look here, cool
Beautiful.
cigarettes even.
Oh yeah.
Merry Christmas to all and a carton of Cools.
Nice,
That's what I always say.
Penguin smoking Cools.
The
There you go.
bacon cools. Thank you so much. What a blast.
What a great time.
Okay, let's see if we can get it safely tucked away. Fantastic.
North Carolina, they got a proud heritage.
Yeah, okay.
Cigarettes.
Sealed it, send it.
Richard Sparks. Grand Blanc MI.
Oh, Grand
Michigan.
Blanc.
Blanc.
Yeah, Blanc. Get cultured, buddy.
Oh, wow.
Oh, there's
There's a letter.
Alright.
Letter.
Please enjoy this complimentary
Oh, we
roll
want
of
the
bubble
bag
wrap.
though, too.
I like your font, Rick.
Nice.
Hello, CEW
That's an appropriate
staff,
font.
agent of Frankers. Really can't remember if it was in late 76 or 77. But a friend and I attended a car show swap meet in Davisburg, Michigan. Needed both turn signal lenses for 56 Buick. I needed license plate lamps for my 57 Ford. Package deal on various lenses, including the ones we needed. He bought them all.
He's
Bottom line
donating.
is he's donating the rest of the collection to Coldwarmotors. Not only will you probably be able to use many of these items,
Right?
a little gold cross-border goodwill can go a long way in breaking
Sure.
the day.
Well, that's a treat.
Cool.
But nice.
Boy, I sure don't like classic taillight lenses and stuff. That's
Oh, look
like-
at here.
He's itemized.
Here, he's itemized the lot number.
Oh, no,
Okay.
now it's a
Let's
game.
play name that.
Let's play
Name that.
Right? Let's go, man.
Cool.
I'm gonna fail.
Cool.
We need details. I wish he was
Yeah,
here.
he
This
is good.
Dietz would kill us at this.
Oh, I thought that was a cap for a spray can.
Holy cow.
Wow, look at these.
It's our lucky day. Man.
These are
Wow.
like, they're NOS.
They're mint.
Yeah, they're mint.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at his eyes go. Hey, just, I know what this one's for without even.
And there's two of them.
There we go. Wow, that's a tricky
Amazing.
game.
That's a
Tricky
haul.
game. This is amazing amount of
That's
taillights.
crazy
Well,
tail.
the
Yeah.
fact that there's pairs here too, right?
And they're
I
brand new.
didn't think there was that many in that bag.
Those are the top of the list. Any guesses on those?
Man,
Is that Studebaker?
58 Studebaker or
Yeah.
58 Packard. That's my guess.
That's my guess. Yeah.
Close.
60 Mercury, full size.
Oh, details would have got that. Yeah. Nice.
Okay, okay, I see the number.
Yeah, you got a guess?
They go this.
Pontiac?
What's that you say?
60 Pontiac?
Anyone else?
Anyone guess?
I was-
Anyone?
I think they're a
Yeah,
Ford
could
Motor
be it,
Company
but
product,
I
but
don't
I
know.
don't know what.
Oh, maybe.
I'm gonna say 53 Ford.
60 Pontiac, Catalina,
Ding
Bonneville.
ding 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 ding
Yeah.
for
We got a
Dean.
winner in the
Nice.
Pontiac LED.
Nice one.
60
Nice
Pontiac.
one.
That'll fit Miles' car.
That's
Yeah.
a 60.
60 Pontiac.
Here,
Okay,
how
what we
about
got here?
this?
Wow, what's that? That's cool.
Guesses?
I have an idea. My guess would be a 61 Plymouth.
I'm going with Andy. I'm gonna say 61 Plymouth.
Oh, I say 54 DeSoto, 55 DeSoto.
Okay. Or yeah,
Maybe,
that's a good guess
maybe.
too.
I don't know.
Al, no.
No.
Mini. Al says mini.
Yeah.
61 Plymouth full size.
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
nice
For
one.
me.
Holy shit, you
course.
guys are good at this.
You
I
have
do
a
have
car.
one of
You
those
do have a car
cars,
like
so-
that. That fits this. Yeah. Is it
Any
a Dodge?
guesses?
60 Dodge, maybe?
Any guesses?
No.
I got none.
60
58
Dodge.
Plymouth.
58 Dodge passenger car and
Interesting.
swept side pickup truck.
Yeah, Dodge. Okay.
Wow.
Well, that was pretty good.
50 Dodge. Yeah.
Any guesses here?
One of these two I have a guess on. I'd say this is your 59 Plymouth.
It's got a bit of a slash cut on the
Ooh, it
back
could go
there.
this way.
Hey,
Yeah.
that's angled.
60 Edsel maybe?
Wow, if that's 60 Edsel, you
That's
win
some
today.
rare shit, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say it's.
But Dean's been guessing Edsel the whole
Yeah,
time.
he just guesses Edsel.
He's like, is it Edsel parts?
Go with what
Are
you
those
know.
parts for
Go with
Edsel?
what you know.
I'm gonna say 58 Pontiac.
58 Ford station wagon.
58 Ford wagon.
Whoa, what?
Yeah, somebody out there wants that.
Like,
no! These assholes got
You
it!
fucker! They got an alert.
What's this one? Any guesses?
Full of screens
That's
and
another
some
tough
sort of-
one. I'd be surprised.
Yeah, I'm gonna guess 58 Pontiac again.
59 Pontiac.
Yeah.
58, 59 Rambler Custom
Ooh,
or Super.
wow.
Rambler.
Oh, it
Super.
sits this way in the feed goes
Oh,
up.
is that is this
Yeah.
AMC as well?
I don't know what that is, man.
It is.
I mean,
isn't it?
it has to go like
I think it
this.
is. I think it is. Now, as soon as you said Rambler, I was like, wait a minute.
Oh, yeah.
Because I knew they weren't fucking Roadrunner or nothing.
Yeah.
I thought it was Dodge.
But I think it is.
Could it be an ambassador?
65 Rambler, yeah.
Well, this is the. This is what the back
I would
of
say
the car
this is
is.
the
Yeah.
outside of the car, and
Or
Yeah.
Ambassador.
Yeah, I like Dean. I like 66 Ambassador.
I said 65, but
Yeah.
66.
66 Rambler Classic.
Oh,
Wow.
Yeah.
Pretty good all around,
Yeah,
though.
God, I gotta say, that's
Golf
pretty
claps
good.
all
Phil.
around. Pretty good, yeah.
they're mint too.
Well, everything
They're all
is
brand
They're
I
all
want to
new.
buy a car to fit
now we're
them.
gonna go look for it.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to
Yeah.
fabricate
So what
like
what
a
fits our
display for
cars?
these or something.
This
eh?
fits my car.
That's Miles.
What did we say this was?
Those are
53?
miles.
That's
right?
miles.
Oh, Miles's?
Yeah,
Yeah, great.
yeah.
Hey, you guys all lose. Just me and Miles win this time.
Cool.
How do you
Rick,
buy
thanks
Hey,
again,
it's so
Rick.
cool
Yeah,
to
thanks,
have
man.
a-
That's a beauty.
Somewhere
Get in
somebody
there.
deserves these, and they're like, no.
Same old shit.